Hello, I'm Alice from Alice's Garden to Plate, and I have some exciting news. I never thought in a million years that I would need even more of a garden, but one of my friends offered for me to break ground on his 30 acres. We're starting off small, 28 foot by 54 foot, and I'm growing more peppers and more herbs with organic methods because I sell seasonings and jams in local markets in Michigan. One day my goal is to open up fully an LLC and get government certified and be able to ship online. Make to order so it's fresh as can be. But to be offered this is an opportunity I couldn't resist. My friend Danny in Monroe has helped me every step along the way. So in the video, you're going to see where we broke ground early April all the way until July. One of the other wonderful things is his neighbor that owns farm equipment came over and rototilled for us. So I plan on giving him a beautiful gift basket full of Alice's Garden to Plate products, including some homegrown vegetables. The land was filled with weeds from overgrown of thistle and others. They all had to be pulled out in order to keep organic methods by hand. 2 beds were made in the beginning, a radish bed, onion bed, and then some asparagus. Watering, we have as sprinklers working with what we have on hand. As you can see, the weeds kept coming back. Then started some collard greens. The onion bed also had to be remulched and weeds being pulled. Garden to Plate journal was used to plan this garden. What's nice about it is it starts off with the recipe in mind. I know what I'm gonna grow for is my seasonings and how much I need, how many plants I need to lay out, to harvesting logs, when to start them indoors. All of that is here. This is a instant download PDF. It's all done through PayPal. It goes right to your email. I'll put the website right here. I wanted to show you a close-up view of the drawing I did for the garden layout, so that way you can get the full concept. Garden, you see along the bottom, that's the gate. Notice that I put numbers on this. In the Garden to Plate journal, it's blank. You got a full canvas to draw and be as artistic as you want, or just simply squares. And I even put the mulch in there in the plants drawings. It makes it fun. So the numbers mean something. Where am I putting stuff? Right there, it's all figured out and what's in the beds. What's nice about this journal too, you can compare year to year, and then you can tally up what you've had to maintenance to what your actual harvest from what compared to what you planned. It really also helps with succession planting. There's reference material in here too. If you're a zone 6B like I am, you already have your basic guides for companion, all the stuff. You're all over the internet trying to find it all. I got you covered. It's all the reference material right on your fingertips. Pathways were created with landscape fabric in order to have full access to all of the beds. You have wildflowers there, tomatoes, pepper plants, and then some herbs behind me. As you can see, we got some mulch and we laid it out. We're going to be adding even more because you need a 2-inch thickness. We even worked with local arbors to get more.